It's 8 in the morning and it's hitchhiking day. Look at the sun, look at the sun, look at the sun. Isn't she pretty? This is Dad. We're going to the service station where he's gonna drop me off, and it's hitchhiking day again. And we're off. The quietest service station in northern Italy. In a few minutes there's going to be a tumbleweed that goes across the park. Yeah, kitty kitty kitty. Just in case you're driving down the motorway and you realize you forget your best cowhide clogs at home, we've got you covered. Some coach has arrived. Coaches never take you. Okay, that means hunting bag. Who needs a hunting bag here? Who comes here to buy hunting bags? I mean, luckily they've got more clogs down here, so we've got all bases covered. Found the map. So, this is me here, and I'm trying to go this way. Most people seem to be going da-da-da-da and Venice. I found. Ah, look at that. Win, 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 win. Grazie mille.
Marella, Tomba, ciao. Tomba. C'è un autista perché proprio mi piace questo lavoro.
Sì.
Penso anche in questo lavoro, come in tutti i lavori, ci sono i più e meno.
Haven't found anything yet, but it's gonna work. It's gonna go. I'd heard lots of people saying that it was difficult to hitchhike in Italy. I think it's been one of the easiest countries to find rides. In Italy it's illegal to hitchhike. Oh, they're over there, they're over there, they're over there. Over there is the police. Hello, police. Bye bye, service station. Right, I've got to run. Perfetto, grazie. Metto anche questo dietro, no? This guy's got the same watch as me. Look at that. And on the side as well. Look at that. Legend. Right, I can't show you him, but he was awesome. He's on the job, so he doesn't want his face on YouTube. Such a cool guy, and what a watch. Italiano or English? Va verso Rijeka. He definitely lies. Nah, that was my ticket out of here. As I've clearly got some time on my hands, let me tell you about the last couple of days. I was at my dad's house and it was good, it was nice, it was relaxed. So I edited up the videos from the last couple of days and I built my belt. So I have a new theory that Velcro is in fact the truth. This is my belt, this is my swimming belt and my normal belt. I've already stuck some Velcro on it like that, which I'm going to be using for my GoPro. That, with a lanyard when I'm swimming, it's a quick release. But I reckon I can do something with this too. So this here is Velcro. This isn't the normal stuff. This is molded stuff, industrial strength. Like this is the real stuff. About like that, right? And some super glue. Corners are always more likely to tear off, so it's always a good idea to round them off. It's good enough. Sewing kit. Need the knife, tuck, it's there, or better, bam, and like that, it can't fall. I need the GoPro, tuck, GoPro, run through. I could get used to this life on the road thing.
Philip, nice to meet you. It's a pleasure.
Nice to meet you, Philip. You see, I was there for only 20 minutes. I thought much longer. It was dead. There was no one there. Philip saved me.
You know, I have also some, I don't care. I want to go to the car and just go. Go in, you know what I mean. Just let it go.
When's it gonna happen? When are you going?
I don't know. But I have it inside of me because I'm go just to mind be clear. You know what I mean? No, what movie is for me top of the top? Forrest Gump. Top of the top.
Swimming is good for this because when you swim for a long time, the whole time you're looking down and it's blue. You know, all you see is blue, and blue is a color that is very relaxing.
Relaxing the mind.
Really, and you keep on going, and all you see is blue, and so your mind can just
it's
fly. Yeah. So you're going to Zagreb now? No. Okay.
I think we must go to Ravna Gora.
Oh, Philip was such a hero. He just left. I hope I see him again. It's 4 o'clock right now. It gets dark around 7:30, 8. After that, it's much harder to get a lift. So with any luck, I can get down to at least Split by today. It's a bit of a stretch. It's another 350 kilometers. So if I'm lucky, I'll be halfway, and then that would leave me the same distance tomorrow, but without motorway. So I don't know. I just realized the non-mobile just arrived. Well, the rain's died down. It's back to the basics. Okay, I found a ride, but I don't know if it's in the right direction. All I know is that he said Bukovogor, it's Split. Moment. He's got the wood in the car.
Souvenir.
Good souvenir. Souvenir. Hey, Tomba.
Marinko.
Marinko, video, say hi.
Nema, to, no.
No problem. Of course.
Okay.
No belt.
Ja. A sad problem tu, Rijeka, Split.
Okay, good map, good map.
Idemo.
As good as it can be, right? Rijeka, Zagreb. This is the road to Split. This is where we are. Not so good. People not going in the right direction. Did we go there? There, it's all the people from Zagreb going down south. Better direction. Got it.
Hercegovina, Međugorje.
Legend.
No gorgeous, no. Retarda.
Hey.
No.
Vala. Arrivederci, ciao.
We go to Split.
Okay, I go same direction.
Where
Go to
are you
Albania.
from?
Nice to meet you.
Tomba, nice to meet you.
Where are you from? Nice to meet you, Isa.
England, Italy.
England.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys?
Marseille, France.
Alors, si vous voulez, on peut parler français. Hein. Donc voilà.
Salut.
Salut.
Hey, how are you?
Salut. Vous êtes, attendez, c'est Balou,
Isa.
et Isa. Balou et Isa. Voilà. Génial.
Génial.
Awesome.
En Albanie.
En Albanie, d'accord.
Et vous, c'est Split?
On prend le bateau pour aller en Italie, ensuite on prend le bateau pour aller en France.
So we're going now from wherever we were just back there. We're going now to near Zadar, and it should be about 2.5 hours. So it's good. You know, you don't go too fast in a lorry. You go at a chill speed. It's the relaxed way of doing things. All right, ciao Mario. Try and get one more lift this evening. But I think that's enough for today's vlog. Just one thing. Already are part of the adventure. Actually, I don't know your name. Sorry, what's your name?
I'm Liliana.
Liliana?
Yeah.
Tomba. Told you it reached Split by tonight.